See it? Okay.
Should I do the sting first?
Do whatever you want. Ah.
Is it good? No?
It's very crispy. Crispy.
Does it taste like anything? Wheat Bix.
Chicken skin again. Chicken skin. Tastes like chicken skin.
Chicken.
Ew. Gross.
Whoa.
Feeling sick?
Just have to get all this crunch down. Wow.